It's a fresh start, and under the captaincy of Subman Gill, India reached into Zimbabwe, and the 5 T20I series 2024 versus Zimbabwe in Zimbabwe is starting today at 4:30 p.m. evening time, and all the matches will be played on Harare Sports Club, and the history has been favored in the side of Team India. So let's find out what has been the history of T20 series between them. And it's a fresh start under the captaincy of Subman Gill, young coach VVS Lachman, and it's a new era is beginning now. Rohit and Kohli has been retired, and it's a young side in this team. There are a lot of youngsters who has performed really well in the IPL. In the basis of their performance in the IPL, they have been selected in this squad. So it's very interesting matches. I would like to feel, and it will be happen because Zimbabwe is another young side, and they are playing in their home conditions. It will be a cold days in Zimbabwe. So let's see what will happen. What type of the adaptation Team India will find out. But quickly, let's find out the history. The very first T20 I played on 12th June 2010 at Harare Sports Club, and India won the match by 54 runs, I think so. Um, it was the India won by 6 wicket actually, and it was the three debutant on that match, Kohli and two more debutants. So it was the very first match of Virat Kohli. India actually chased 111 runs, and India won the match by 6 wicket. The second T20 also India won. So the series in 2010, India won by 2-0. Then in 2015, it was the again two matches series, and India have been draw the series. The last one, India didn't manage to win, and it was the 1-1. In 2016, the very first T20I, India won. India won not because it was the close margin victory by Zimbabwe, just 2 runs. India didn't chase even a close to 150 target, and MS Dhoni was not out. It was very sad moment for Team India because he was not out, and Team India had defeated the T20. The last two T20I India won in 2016 actually, and MS Dhoni had gone to that tour, and it was another young side in Zimbabwe. So actually the three T20I series it was played, and India won by 2-1. So that's the conclusion. In 2022, India just played a uh, ODI matches, not a T20I. So overall, 7 T20I India had played there before starting this tour, and just two loss, one in 2015, one in 2016, and one you can say 5 T20 matches. So it is not starting uh, as a favorite because both team have a youngsters, and it's a fresh starts. But one thing remember, India must be a continue with winning streak and their dominance, whatever Zimbabwe, whatever Australia, because you are a world champion team, and so you have to dominance everywhere. So let's see with this champions approach how the Team India will start. So catch this live action on the Sony Sports Network and Sony 10.3 in Hindi and Sony 10.5 in English. So let's find out the action. So live updates you will get here on my Cricket Chats 2.0. So you have not subscribed, subscribe it and follow my channel. Thank you, and enjoy with fresh and greatest T20I India versus Zimbabwe.